You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this French name is generally said as Eiffel, as in the Eiffel Tower, Eiffel, but it is not how it is said in French. So if you want to sound a bit more maybe genuine, in French it is said as Eiffel, 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 Eiffel Tower, or the Tour Eiffel, Tour Eiffel. In English again, Eiffel Tower, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.